What is a privilege log in court cases? Imagine you're in a courtroom and one side refuses to share certain documents. You might wonder, why not just see everything? Well, that's where a privilege log comes into play. A privilege log is a detailed list created during the discovery phase of a case. It shows which documents or communications a party is withholding and explains why. The key reason for withholding is usually because they claim those materials are protected by legal privileges. Legal privileges are rights that protect certain communications from being shared. Common examples include attorney-client privilege, which keeps conversations between a lawyer and client private, and work product protection, which shields documents prepared in anticipation of litigation. The privilege log doesn't reveal what's in the documents but provides enough information to justify the claim. It typically includes details like the date of the document, who created it, who received it, the type of document, and a brief description of its subject matter. This log helps everyone understand what is being kept confidential and why. It promotes fairness by preventing parties from hiding relevant evidence unfairly. It also helps courts decide if the privilege claim is valid. If the opposing side challenges the claim, the court can review the privilege log to determine if the documents should stay private or be shared. Creating a privilege log can be a detailed task, especially if there are many documents involved. Courts recognize this and sometimes allow procedures to make the process easier. But the main goal remains the same: protecting sensitive information while keeping the discovery process transparent. The rules of evidence, especially Rule 26, 25 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, requiring that parties claiming privilege must clearly state their claim and describe the documents enough for others to understand without revealing the protected content. If a party fails to do this properly, they risk losing the privilege. In short, a privilege log is a vital tool in court cases. It balances the need to keep certain communications confidential with the opposing party's right to access relevant evidence. It helps ensure the discovery process is fair, transparent, and respects legal protections.